Hey everybody, how's it going? So I was asked recently to do a video on how to use the Teleport plugin for OBS. So we're going to cover that in today's video. I hope everybody is doing well. So basically, what is Teleport? Teleport is a way, if you have a dual PC setup like I do, a stream PC and a gaming PC, to be able to capture footage from your gaming PC to the stream PC in OBS without having to go through a capture card. Now, there was another plugin called NDI that was, I think it was abandoned from what I remember hearing, but I did try it a couple years ago. While it did kind of work, I had some issues with it where it didn't seem to consistently work. It just goes over your local network. So obviously, best performance-wise, you want to have everything hardwired as opposed to Wi-Fi. I haven't personally used it over Wi-Fi, but I know some people that have, and it works well for them. So either way, you can do that. You can also adjust the quality of the stream. So I am going to have a link in the description below that will show where to get this from, but give me a second. We're just going to go ahead and share my video here. So let me go over to my screen here so I can enable teleport and you can see what I'm talking about exactly. So what you want to do is you want to go to the link that'll again be in the description of the page. And this is teleport for the OBS Studios plugin. So you're going to go over here, you're going to click on go to download. This is going to give you the latest download. You can see this was released October 31st of 2023. You're just going to grab this OBS teleport zip file. And then you're going to save this. You can just save it into your downloads folder wherever. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to install this plugin after you unzip it to both your gaming PC OBS. You do need to have OBS on the gaming PC. And I would just set up, like I only have two sources on mine. I have game capture and I have display capture. Some games or some things I'm doing like now work better when you do the display capture piece. That's why I'm recommending doing that. Otherwise, if you're doing a game capture, you can capture a specific window, which is what I tend to do. Those are the only two scenes. So you're going to, and again, you're going to install this as a plugin on both computers, the gaming PC and on the, sorry, I'm having trouble thinking here. And also too on your streaming PC. Now, the difference is you're actually going to go and add a source, which again, I'll share my screen. It's going to look odd just because I'm recording a video. So we're going to get the tile effect. But give me 1 second here. Sorry, I'm trying to think for a second. Let me minimize this window. So on your streaming PC, and again, I'll share it here in just a moment, guys. I apologize here for the thing. This is, I don't normally edit my videos so that you're going to see weirdness like this. Let me get the right thing going here. So you'll see here, and again, sorry about the tile effect. That's what happens. Right here, you have a source called teleport, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to hit your add source down here, or wherever you have your sources list. You're going to click the little plus sign. And once you have this up, you're going to choose teleport here. This is on the stream PC. Very important. Stream PC is where that goes. And then that's going to allow you to use that source. So I just always leave mine on. I mean, you can turn it off when you're not using it, obviously. But I normally keep mine on. But you're going to add the source teleport on the streaming PC only. You're not going to add a source for this on your gaming PC, right? So once you've done that, you're going to come over to your now gaming PC side, and give me a second, I'll bring that window over for you, which is right here. We'll turn off the display capture so you guys can see that. I can do this 1 second. Here we go. sorry, so here's the window you'll see. You go under Tools, Teleport, this window will pop up. By default, this is not checked. You do not want to check mark this box unless you're streaming or doing something to where you want to capture the game footage. Also note, because I've watched videos on how to do this myself, and this wasn't explained. Always uncheck this box and click OK when you're done with your stream. If you do not, and you just try to exit OBS and this is still turned on, OBS is going to go into a not responding state, and you're going to have to end task on it every single time. Uncheck this, hit OK, wait a couple seconds, then exit. So what I was saying is, here's the identifier. You can name it anything you want, right? But it's the name of, I just use it as the name of my computer. You're going to put it in the port there. You're going to set your quality. You can kind of adjust this and kind of see how things are. 85% is good. If you actually try and go at 90% or something, I think it throws out a warning just telling you like, hey, we recommend only going up to this percentage. So once you've got those things set and you've got your source in OBS set for teleport, you're going to go in here, you're going to check mark this on, right? You're going to hit OK. Once you've done that, you're going to go back into your OBS on your gaming PC, and you're going to enable the capture. And you can do this beforehand, before you enable teleport. It doesn't matter either way. But you want to put on your game capture or display capture for whatever you're wanting to capture to your streaming PC to use teleport. So on the gaming PC, we're going to enable display capture or game capture. You should see that whatever you're capturing, whether it's a game or like the screen that I'm capturing here, in your gaming OBS. And then when you go into teleport over on your stream PC, you should have a list when you go to the properties. And I'll share this again. Bear with me a second. So you'll have this window here. And this is going to show the teleport host you set up, right? So it's going to show teleport, the name of your computer, and the local area network IP address. You can also hit refresh list, and there's a drop down here. So you got to make sure you don't want it disabled, right? Because if you disable it, it all goes away, right? You want to make sure it's enabled. And this is kind of like your preview. So if before you go live, if you want to just make sure it's working, you can right click on teleport down here again, go over here to properties. This window will come up, and whatever is on your gaming PC, you should see in the teleport window here. Just like if I move the mouse around in here, you guys can see it on the screen there. So that's all you have to do with that. You just okay that. Teleport's enabled. You're good to go. And you're going to, whoops, I unchecked that. There we go. You'll see the teleport window here. Whatever you have on your gaming PC. So that's it, guys. That's really the gist of how you get Teleport plugin on OBS. Very simple, very easy to use. Now, I'm not saying that one method is better over the other. It's basically your personal preference. I do have a capture card with an HDMI switch box. I have a previous video for that I'll try to remember to link down below for you guys on how to set up multiple consoles or PCs on, or both on a HDMI switch box with a capture card. It's very simple. But I've tried a couple different ways of doing things. For me personally, it was just simply because sometimes it would keep switching over to my PC port or my capture card and then wake up my monitors and stuff constantly. So I decided to try this method instead, which worked out really good for me. I do live stream on Kick Thursdays through Sunday. So if you haven't, check me out over there. It's kick.com/cheesyjokester. Link will be in the description below. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And then also too, if you guys have any comments or questions or anything I may have missed, feel free to post them in the comments below. Otherwise, have a good day, everybody. And I hope this video was helpful. Thanks, guys.